Hello everyone. First of all, I want to take the time and thank you for spending your busy time to watch my video and talk about washers and dryers. I thank you so much. Today we're talking about either have your washer, buy a stackable washer and dryer, or have it side by side. Now there are two theories. Most people that buy the stackables is because they have a small laundry closet and you can only have a stackable. Now there are machines called laundry centers, which are 2-in-1s. We have those available too, but these are the better options. Here's why. With a stackable washer and dryer, if for some reason you have to, if your washer goes out or your dryer goes out, you only have to repair or replace just one machine. If you have a 2-in-1, you have to repair and replace the whole machine. So that gives you an advantage. Also, if you decide to change locations and you move into a house that offers a huge laundry room, you can actually unstack the washer and dryers and have them side by side. So it gives you a lot more options. Any questions, feel free to reach out. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, 678-615-8317, A-Team Appliance. We're inside the Unique Treasures building on Highway 78 in Snellville, 3635 Highway 78 in Snellville, Georgia. Thanks for watching.